All right, thanks, Dave. Of course, we all know that October is National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but did you know that about 1 in 8 women in the U.S. will develop invasive breast cancer in their lifetime? Not only that, but each year, more than 400,000 women require a mastectomy or lumpectomy. And this morning, Dr. John Colfry, breast surgical oncologist at Touro, is here to tell us more about some amazing new technology that's available to those women. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Well, we appreciate your being here. 1 in 8 women. I mean, that seems like a pretty high number.
Very prevalent, especially in South Louisiana.
Wow. So what are some of the new technology that's being used?
Some of the new things that we're most proud of is the radioactive seed lumpectomy.
Okay.
Sometimes women can't feel the breast cancer. It's detected by mammogram. And so the question is, how do we know what to take out? We take a tiny little seed about the size of a grain of rice, place it in the cancer. Patient comes to surgery and we use a little probe, and when we get right over the cancer, it beeps very loudly, tells us exactly what to take out with precise accuracy. So we take out the right amount of tissue, but not too much. Too much tissue means poor cosmetic result, and that's lifelong. So we really like to be extra accurate.
And is that something that also uses like 3D maps and things like that, or how does this help doctors?
Right. You know, it is basically a GPS device. You can think of it as that. It's not that the seed kills the cancer, but it's our GPS system for detecting 3D depth and spatial relationships, and tells us exactly how far to the left, how far to the right, how far deep do we need to go. Again, so it's extra precise.
And how does this differentiate between this and maybe a woman or a patient getting a lumpectomy or mastectomy?
Right. The other, one of the other nice things about these seeds is that we can also put the little seed in actual cancer lymph nodes that needs to be removed. Mastectomies in the past would just remove all the breast tissue, including the lymph nodes, but now we're able to pinpoint a few lymph nodes, which decreases a woman's chance of arm swelling or lymphedema substantially.
How long has this been used? I mean, I guess primarily here in Louisiana or in this area.
Right. We are the first people at Touro to bring it to Louisiana. Before this, it was done in Tampa and it was done at MD Anderson. And so now we're using it here at Touro, which has been great.
But it sounds like it's been pretty successful.
Very successful. I think, the key is that we're taking out less tissue, and extra precision means decrease in second excisions.
And what about some of the benefits for the patient themselves? I mean, mentally speaking, and recovery and all of that.
Right. So, a good cosmetic result is of the utmost importance. We tell a lot of our patients, this is one temporary spot where you are going to be affected by this, but life goes on, and you have the rest of your life to live. So we want you looking good, feeling good. We want you whole.
Tell us a little bit about the event that's coming up.
Right, so Touro is celebrating women's health with its annual Pampered in Pink event.
Yeah.
So it's going to be at the Audubon Tea Room on this Thursday, and it's going to include a couple things: beauty stations, skin care, massage chairs, manicures, women's health, information from the American Cancer Society. Susan G. Komen, Irma Thomas is the MC, which for me personally is a very big deal because I'm a huge fan.
Who should attend this event, or who can?
Right, so honestly, anyone can. It's all about women's health. Primarily, this is going to be focused on breast cancer survivors, survivorship, but we encourage anyone to come out.
Wonderful. Well, this sounds like a great thing. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, the Touro Pampered and Pink event is this Thursday night, again from 6 until 9 at the Audubon Tea Room. Not only will a panel of physicians answer questions about breast cancer, they will also have festive food and cocktails, pampering stations, as you heard, and of course, so much more. For more information and to get your tickets, just head on over to our website, wwltv.com, and click on links.